Hi Jane, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. I spoke with April the other day and she said it was cool to go ahead and shoot this video and send it over to you. The reason I'm making this video for you is because I noticed that you weren't being found for a few of the top keywords in your area. So if you're not being found for it, that's a lot of business you're missing out on. So the two things I want to go over are content and backlinks. So with content, in Google's eyes, content is king. So they like to see at least about 1,500 words or more of keyword-rich content on your home page. We see that your site has probably about 700 to 800. Also, Google doesn't see photos. They just read what's behind them. So if we save image as, we can see that this is saved as movie 1140-351. So you definitely want to get your photos optimized. One thing that I did notice is your site is not secure. So Google really likes and favors sites that are secure. So you definitely need an SSL certificate added to your domain. Taking a look at your top competitor, Avalon. This is just their laser hair removal page. We are seeing that they have a lot of content on their back page. They have over 1,500 words, so they're doing really well in that department. It's still very beatable. All we need to do is just add more keyword-rich content to your homepage. So when I Google search the top keyword, which is laser hair removal San Diego, the first thing that we're going to see at the top is the paid ads. The next area is the map pack, and below that is the organic section, and here we see Avalon. So how you're going to rank here in the organic section is by something called a backlink. So a backlink is really just one site linking to another site. The tool that I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. So when we look at their back page, we see that they have 6 referring domains, giving them 47 backlinks. Looking at yours, we see that you guys have 74 referring domains, giving you 254 backlinks. And you may think, well, I have more backlinks, how come I'm not beating them? That is because not all backlinks are created equal. So right here we have the UR and the DR. These represent the power and trust of your site. So Google ranks a site because, it's powerful and because they trust it. And so when we're taking a look at your competitor, they have a bit higher numbers than you, so they have more powerful, relevant, trustworthy backlinks. And when I say relevant, I mean relevant to your niche. So getting a backlink, say, from Pizza Hut or some irrelevant site is not going to do you any good because Google knows that it's not relevant. So definitely want to get trustworthy backlinks pointing back to your website. And to take a look at the keywords, we see that, people do recognize your company. It's really good. You are in the first position for your company name. But for top keywords, such as, we'll type in laser hair removal. So laser hair removal San Diego, there's 700 searches a month. And it shows that you're in the 57th position for that top keyword. So you're on probably the 6th page for it. Best laser hair removal San Diego, there's another 100. You're in the 52nd position. San Diego laser hair removal, 90 searches, 52nd position. That one's not very many. So that's just for laser hair removal. So a lot of searches that you're not being found for. Also, if we search for microdermabrasion, we see that there's, let's pick 50, 50, another 80, and we see you're in the 40th position, the 48th, the 50th. So definitely missing out on those as well. And for the last one I wanted to show you, which was microblading, there is 400 and 300, so 700 searches a month, well actually 750, that you're not being found for because you're in the 40th, 34th, and 47th position for those. So Definitely want to get ranked for at least those 3 things. You know, a couple thousand searches you're missing out on. Just to do a recap for you, you want to get more keyword-rich content added to your homepage, get your photos optimized, get your SSL certificate on there, and then you want to go ahead and get relative trustworthy backlinks pointing back at your website. That is all I have for you. If you have any questions for me, feel free to reach back out, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I hope you have a good one.